G'day vibers, welcome to Rides and Vibes. Today we're diving headfirst into Universal Studios Florida. We're going to cover every ride, we'll go over every ride, height requirements, average wait time and more to help you prioritize what rides to go on. Let's get into it. Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit. This isn't your average roller coaster. You climb straight up a 17-story lift hill, then drop into a series of intense twists and turns. Before you're even bored, you get to choose your own soundtrack, making each ride a unique experience. Height requirements, 51 inches, 130 centimeters. Thrill level, 5 out of 5. Motion sickness, 4 out of 5. The twists and drops, especially that initial climb, can be intense. The average wait time is 45 to 90 minutes. Illuminations Villain Kong Minion Blast. Blast your way to supervillain status in this interactive moving walkway experience. Use your E-Eliminator blaster to cause mayhem and destruction. Compete with your friends and family to see who can become the ultimate villain. Height requirements, there are none. Thrill level, 2 to 5. Motion sickness, 2 to 5. Constant movement and screens could affect some. The average wait time is 30 to 60 minutes. Race through New York, starring Jimmy Fallon. Step into the Tonight Rider vehicle and race Jimmy Fallon through the streets and skies of New York City. This 3D motion simulator takes you on a wild and comedic tour, complete with appearances for familiar Tonight Show characters. You'll fly through iconic landmarks and experience the thrill of high-speed chase. Height requirements, 40 inches at 102 centimeters. Thrill level, 3 to 5. Motion sickness, 3 to 5. The 3D and motion effects can affect some people. The average wait time is 30 to 60 minutes. Transformers The Ride 3D. Join the Autobots in a battle against Decepticons in this immersive 3D motion simulator. You'll be right in the middle of the action with fast-paced movements and stunning visuals. Expect thrilling drops, turns, and close encounters with your favorite Transformers. Height requirements, 40 inches and 102 centimeters. Thrill level, 4 to 5. Motion sickness, 4 to 5. Very high chances of motion sickness. Average wait time, 30 to 60 minutes. Fast and the Furious Supercharge. Join Dom and the crew for a high-octane chase in this immersive experience. You board a party bus that's been integrated with cutting-edge 3D technology, placing you right in the middle of the action. Expect fast turns, close calls, and plenty of adrenaline-pumping moments. Height requirements, 40 inches, 102 centimeters. Thrill level, 3 to 5. Motion sickness, 3 to 5. Large screens and motion can cause some issues. Average wait time, 20 to 45 minutes. Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts. Enter the depths of Gringotts Bank and embark on a thrilling adventure with Harry, Ron, and Hermione. This multi-dimensional dark ride combines roller coaster thrills with 3D projection mapping, putting you face to face with trolls, dragons, and the dangers of the Wizarding World. Height requirements, 42 inches and 107 centimeters. Thrill level, 4 to 5. Motion sickness, 4 to 5. The combination of motion and 3D can be intense. The average wait time is 60 to 120 minutes. Hogwarts Express, King's Cross Station. Board the iconic Hogwarts Express at King's Cross Station and travel between Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. Enjoy a scenic journey with magical encounters along the way. Height requirements, there are none. Thrill level, 1 to 5. Motion sickness, 1 to 5. It's very smooth. Average wait time is 15 to 30 minutes. Men in Black, Alien Attack. Become an MIB recruit and defend the planet from alien invasion. This interactive dark ride puts you in the training simulator where you'll blast aliens with your laser gun, competing with your fellow riders for the highest score. You'll spin, turn through various scenes, testing your aim and reflexes. Height requirements, 42 inches, 107 centimeters. Thrill level, 2 to 5. Motion sickness, 1 to 5, very little motion. Average wait time is 20 to 40 minutes. The Simpsons Ride. Join the Simpsons on a chaotic adventure through Krusty Land. This motion simulator puts you in a virtual roller coaster filled with hilarious mishaps and familiar characters. Expect bumpy turns, unexpected drops, and plenty of visual gags that will have you laughing throughout the whole experience. Height requirements, 40 inches, 102 centimeters. Thrill level, 3 to 5. Motion sickness, 4 to 5. The motion in 3D can be intense. Average wait time, 30 to 60 minutes. Kang, Kodos, Twirl and Whirl. Take control of your flying saucer and spin around Kang and Kodos in this classic spinning ride. Try to hit targets, score points as you whirl through the air. Height requirements, 36 inches, 92 centimeters. Thrill level, 2 to 5. Motion sickness, 2 to 5. Spinning can affect some riders. Average wait time, 15 to 30 minutes. E.T. Adventure. Hop on your flying bike and help E.T. return to his home planet. This dark ride takes you on a gentle journey through the forest and into space. You'll see E.T.'s home and help him save his planet. Height requirements, there are none. Thrill level, 2 to 5. Motion sickness, 1 to 5. Very smooth ride. The average wait time is 20 to 40 minutes. Trolls Trolley Coaster. This family-friendly coaster now featured the vibrant world of the Trolls. Enjoy gentle ride through colourful scenery and cheerful music, perfect for young riders. Height requirements, 36 inches, 92 centimetres. Thrill level is 1 to 5, motion sickness 1 to 5, it's very smooth. The average wait time is 15 to 30 minutes. Revenge of the Mummy. Plunge into darkness on this indoor roller coaster, encountering armies of mummies. This ride combines high-speed thrills with special effects including fire and close encounters with mummies. Height requirements, 48 inches, 122 centimetres. Thrill level, 4 to 5. Motion sickness, 3 to 5. Dark and fast turns can cause issues. Average wait time, 30 to 60 minutes. Diabolical Me, Minion Mayhem. Join Gru and the Minions in this 3D motion simulator. You'll be turned into a Minion and go through Minion training. This ride is filled with comedic moments and lots of motion. Height requirements, 40 inches, 102 centimetres. Thrill level, 3 to 5. Motion sickness, 4 to 5. The 3D and motion can be intense. Average wait time, 30 to 60 minutes. And that's every ride at Universal Studios Florida. I hope this guide helps you plan your day. Remember to check the Universal Orlando app for up-to-date wait times. And as always, keep riding those vibes. And I hope you have a wonderful day.